Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to add information about yourself to your page on the Facebook app using your PC. With the recent update, some features have shifted around, but don't worry. Following these simple steps will have your About You section looking just right in no time. First, start by opening the Facebook app on your computer. It's the quickest way to manage your profile details efficiently. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. That's where your profile photo is. Click on your profile picture to head over to your personal page. When you're on your profile page, you'll see different sections available, including posts, friends, and more. What we want is the About tab, so click on that next. This section holds all the personal info and details you can share with the people who view your profile. Inside the About tab, you'll find a variety of categories, one of which is Details About You. Go ahead and select this option. This is the spot where you can write a little bit about yourself, your interests, background, or anything else you want visitors to know. Next, click on the button that says Write some details about yourself. This will open a text box where you can type freely. Whether it's a quick bio, your hobbies, or a fun fact, feel free to write whatever best represents who you are. Take a moment to make it personal and engaging. Once you're finished typing, the last step is to hit the Save button. This will add your new details to your profile right away. The changes are instant, so you can go back and check to make sure everything looks the way you want. And there you have it. Adding or updating the About You section on your Facebook page through the PC app is straightforward and quick with this new update. Spend a little time customizing your page, and it will help friends and visitors learn more about you. Thanks for watching.